Hello guys, I sincerely hope you're all doing absolutely great. As you can clearly see right here, this is my personal ChatGPT account and it currently operates on a free subscription. Alright, there's no paid subscription active on it at this very moment. It's entirely a free account presented before your eyes. So now, I'm about to upgrade this specific account to Plus, okay? I'm going to proceed with upgrading its plan to a Plus account. So I'm going to show you right here. If I just go into the account, you can clearly see that there is no subscription currently active here. It's clearly showing you the option to upgrade your plan. Now, I'm going to run the system in the background for this. I'm about to upgrade it to the Plus version, and I'll show you that right now. I've already run my system in the background, and as you can clearly see, it has been successfully upgraded to a Plus account. All right. Now I will show you by going into the settings, specifically into the account section. You can clearly see that its subscription is valid until April 15th, 2027. If you are interested in acquiring ChatGPT Plus 1 year accounts, then please feel free to contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram. You can see its validity until April 15th, 2027.